Hello and welcome back to Club Resources, a video series that will show you the various ways that the Stevenson portal can help with your club or organization's needs. Today, I'm going to show you how to submit a room request. Ever wonder how clubs get access to Rockland Banquet? Are you curious to know how you can reserve the Clary Moore Room or a meeting space for your club and school business? Well, our convenient system allows you to reserve spaces no matter how large or how small. Starting from the portal homepage, scroll over to Applications and click SU Scheduler. Once there, log in with your Stevenson University single sign-on username and password, and then proceed to click Request an Event under the Request an Event section. Select the type of event you will be creating. This will direct you to an electronic form that you can fill out to request multiple spaces at a time. Please fill out as many details as possible about what you need. Immediately after submitting the electronic request, you will receive an automated email listing details about your event request. A member of the conference services team will review your request and send you a final confirmation with details regarding your event. Make sure to submit your request 2 to 3 weeks before your event to give our staff enough time to work on it. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial, and be sure to be on the lookout for additional resource videos.